Yes, beta, as you can see, this is your module 6 grammar second, and this video is for grade 6. In this module 6, we are going to start with a topic called adverbs, right? So what do you mean by adverbs? What do you mean by adverbs? Adverb means, beta, if you are going to break this word, like if you put a slash over here, what you get? You get add and verbs, right? So what is adverbs in short? You can say it is adding something to verbs. It is adding something to verbs, or if you get any information regarding verb is called adverbs. Or if we have to define the word that adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective or even an adverb is known as an adverb. Right, beta? Now we are going to start with kinds of adverbs and their position in a sentence. So how many kinds of adverbs are there? There are 8 kinds of adverbs in your syllabus, right? So first one is adverbs of manner. So what do you mean by adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner means that will tell you how or in what manner something has happened or something takes place. Means how the work has been done. Okay, it will give you the answer of your how. Like for example, he cried loudly. He cried loudly. Here, loudly is adverb. It is telling you how the action cried has taken place. Understood? Let's do the next example. I do my work honestly. I do my work honestly. How the work has been done? Honestly. So it is adverb of manner. Now let's do the second adverb. That means adverb of place. Adverb of place means that tells you where the action takes place or where the verb takes place. Okay, like for example, he lives here. He lives here. The word here tells you that the action live takes place over here. So here is adverb of place. Let's do another example. The girls are sleeping upstairs. Where the girls are sleeping? Upstairs. Upstairs means upar, right? So it is adverb of place. Now let's do the third kind. Third kind is adverbs of time. It will answer. It will tell you that when. Time means when the action took place or when something is done or happens. Okay. Like for example, if I say he came yesterday. Kab aaya wo? Yesterday. So yesterday is adverb of time. Let's take second example. She left early. When she left, so you will get early, jaldi. Jaldi hi chali gayi. So early is an adverb which is denoting time, right? So now let's go with fourth kind of adverb. That is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency means bete how often something is done or happens. कितनी बार कोई चीज हुई है. He is often absent. He is often absent. यहाँ पे often जो है it is telling you adverb of frequency. Example देखिए next. The magazine comes out weekly. Here magazine जो आती है वो weekly आती है ना? कितनी बार? How often the action takes place? So it is weekly. It comes out weekly. So weekly is adverb of frequency. There are many other examples given. You can read them on your own. Now let's do another one. That is adverbs of duration. What is adverbs of duration? Duration means how long something has done or happens. कि कितने लंबे समय तक कोई एक्शन हुआ है. Like the hailstorm lasted 3 hours. कि जो hailstorm था वो 3 घंटे तक चला, है ना? So 3 hours, it is how long. That is duration. My telephone is temporarily out of order. So here my telephone is temporarily out of order. Temporarily means how long the action took place. Temporarily, ये permanent नहीं है, temporary है. So it is duration. There are many examples given like permanently, briefly, forever. You can read them. Next देखिए बेटे, it is adverbs of number. Adverbs of number means it indicates a number or sequence. कोई number की तरफ इशारा करेगा ये, जैसे कि the word firstly, secondly, yearly, once, etc. Example is given They saw me once. So once is denoting adverb of number. 7th is adverbs of degree. So what is adverb of degree? It means कितनी हद तक कोई action हुआ है. So tell us the level or extent that something is done or happens. It tells you the level or extent that something is done or happens. Example देखिए, she is very beautiful. यहाँ पे very is denoting degree. He walks too slowly. Too is adverb of degree. So these are another examples given. You can read them. The last is adverbs of interrogation or interrogative adverbs. It is used to ask questions. You all know very well. Which words are included in this? Why, when, where and how. So these 4 words are included in adverbs of interrogations. Like for example, where do you live? Where is adverb of interrogation. When did he came? When did he come? Sorry. So adverbs of interrogation. I hope you have understood about the kinds of adverbs. Thank you.